I think I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black.